For a long time, I've struggled with what my own purpose is in life. I didn't set out to buy a coffee business, but I did want to be doing meaningful work. So the vehicle almost becomes irrelevant.
Architecture can be a very environmentally unfriendly process if you're not careful.
We're drawing on regional elements. We're working with what we have. We're trying to be good stewards of the land.
The idea is to create a family for young changemakers in their 20s. It can't just be digital. They needed to feel the community somewhere.
For me, I think it's about creating possibilities for people. For a farmer to change the quality of his life because he's getting paid faster, he's getting paid better.
For us, doing good is in creating this bridge between human beings and the landscape.
It's how do you get people involved in something that is much bigger than that local place where they are.
It's so easy to get distracted along the way. If I ask myself every day, what is my purpose? It's binary. It's either I am or I'm not. And if I'm not, then something needs to change.